Hey, truckers and commercial drivers, if you drive for a living, you know the importance of DOT inspections. But do you really know what to expect and how to prepare? Every day, drivers just like you are pulled over for roadside inspections. If your vehicle isn't up to standard or you don't have the right paperwork, you could face costly fines and penalties, delays that keep you from your deliveries, even being placed out of service. But don't worry, we've got the solution. Introducing the DOT Vehicle and Roadside Inspections U.S. course by OSHA Education School, a complete training program designed to make sure you pass inspections with confidence. What you'll learn in this course: daily inspections. Learn the step-by-step vehicle check to spot issues before they become violations. Prevent problems before they start. Understanding enforcement inspections. Know what officers look for and how to answer their questions without stress. Document requirements. Get a full breakdown of the essential paperwork: commercial driver's license, CDL, medical card and waivers, logbooks and hours of service, vehicle inspection reports, shipping papers for hazardous materials, functional inspection process. Be prepared for hands-on checks like testing your brakes, signals and lights, inspecting tires, fuel lines and cargo security, checking your steering and exhaust systems, safety protocols. Learn how to stay safe during inspections, from wearing high-visibility gear to handling hazardous cargo. Imagine never having to worry about an inspection again. No more stress, no more surprises, just smooth inspections, fewer delays, and more time on the road. And here's the best part: once you complete the course, you'll earn your official certificate of completion. Why take this course? Stay DOT compliant and avoid fines. Reduce unexpected downtime. Feel confident during any inspection. Show proof of training with a certification. So, are you ready to protect your career and keep your truck rolling? Click the link in the description now. Enroll today at OSHA Education School and get DOT ready.